Welcome to Coin Network, the future of global tech,
Today, we're diving deep into the latest blockchain innovations
and exploring how they'll shape our world.
The plan includes millions of humanoid robots every year, massive artificial intelligence computing centers.
tailors. SpaceX transformed from a company facing repeated launch failures into the world's most active launcher.
The same strategy helped build the world's largest satellite internet constellation, serving millions of customers across more than 100 countries and territories.
Tesla's long-term vision extends far beyond electric vehicles. The company is preparing industrial capacity unlike anything it has attempted before.
Each project would be large enough to define an entire company. Tesla is attempting to combine them into one connected industrial ecosystem.
This is not simply about producing more cars. It is about building an industrial machine designed for the age of artificial intelligence and automation.
Breaking news this hour, markets react to the unexpected surge in the tech sector.
Yes, the ripple effect is substantial. Our analysts are calling this a pivotal.
Welcome back to Coin Network, where digital currency is changing everything.
Indeed, Henry, and today we're breaking down the latest market trends.
Prepare for insight that shapes the future.
Let's dive in.
Instead of depending on long international supply chains, Tesla is investing in key manufacturing stages that traditionally belong to different companies.
Lithium refining, battery materials, and advanced battery production are becoming part of one integrated manufacturing ecosystem.
Tesla is simultaneously expanding artificial intelligence computing infrastructure capable of supporting future autonomous systems and robotics.
The company also plans to strengthen semiconductor manufacturing because artificial intelligence cannot scale without powerful processors.
Energy generation, battery storage, and manufacturing are designed to support one another inside a single industrial network.
Every future Tesla product shares the same technological foundation. Robots need batteries, processors, and artificial intelligence. This manufacturing strategy resembles the system that helped SpaceX dramatically reduce launch costs while accelerating innovation.
In the final chapter, we'll examine why Tesla may eventually be remembered as far more than an electric vehicle company.
Global markets saw a significant rebound today. Tech stocks led the charge, gaining nearly 3%. The influx of capital reached a record.
Welcome to the future of finance, powered by Coin.
Security, speed, and stability, everything you need for digital wealth.
Join us and become a part.
Tesla's long-term production targets have surprised both supporters and critics because the planned scale exceeds anything previously attempted in robotics manufacturing.
Past success does not guarantee future results. Humanoid robots remain an extremely difficult engineering challenge.
The real transformation may not be about building more cars. It may be about creating the industrial foundation for an automated economy.
If these technologies mature together, Tesla could gradually evolve from an electric vehicle manufacturer into a company building the core infrastructure.
The next decade may not simply redefine Tesla. It could redefine the future of manufacturing itself.
Absolutely.
What do you think? Will Tesla become the world's largest robotics and artificial intelligence manufacturing company? Share your opinion in the comments below.
Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more global technology and cryptocurrency news from Coin Network.
Coin Network provides technology and cryptocurrency news, education, and market analysis for entertainment purposes only. This content does not
This holographic view of the market capitalization highlights the significant shifts we've seen this quarter. As I isolate the data, the upward momentum is clear.